Welcome to Crime and Justice Report. It was a colorful event at the opening ceremony of the new legal year, which was held recently at the High Court complex in Benin City. Details of this report when we return. I am Ifeoma Okpara. Welcome back. The ceremony to mark the formal opening of the 2019/2020 legal year, which was held in Benin City, started off with an interdenominational service wherein they admonished adherents to rule of law and justice.
The law is a springboard that directs the affairs of mankind, provides the economic agenda for the prosperity of the society, and serves as a compass by which the well-being of the citizenry is a priority by the simple provision of social amenities, job opportunities, and security. Similarly, justice is the assurance that the principles of the law, as it pertains to the rule of law, are not only obeyed, but seen obeyed by all means and standard within the ambit of the law. This is because lawlessness is an act of injustice, which is sinful, evil, and wicked.
Judges and lawyers are to the society social engineers who plays great role in the creation and emergence of a better social order where justice, equity, and freedom for all prevails. Judges are ranked as God amongst men because they have the power to declare anyone dead. The judges have the power to restrict the movement of anyone for life.
As part of the event to mark the opening ceremony, there was an inspection of the Guard of Honor by the Honorable Chief Judge of Edo State. Let's have a look.
Oh my God. I just did that. Phone boy.
This is to thank you for this parade and to wish you all the best. You can carry on with the parade.
Honorable President, Empire, Ifeoma, hip, hip, hip. Hooray! Hip, hip, hip. Hooray! Louder! Hip, hip, hip. Hooray! Parade with the flag head ready. The flag head ready. My lord, now your permission to march the parade. Shoulder up. Stand alone. Freedom up.
That was nice. A special ceremonial court session was also held where the Honorable Chief Judge of Edo State, Honorable Justice Esohe Francis Ikponwe, delivered a speech highlighting some of the achievements made by the judiciary under her leadership, especially in the area of speedy dispensation of justice by the creation of the multi-door courts. She advised lawyers to embrace alternative dispute resolution. She also enumerated some of the challenges that the judiciary is faced, such as poor funding, the deplorable state of some courtrooms, and the need for judicial autonomy.
The judiciary under my watch will dispense justice to all manner of persons without fear or favor, affection or ill will among others. We have tried to do exactly this, and I use this medium to request all judicial officers to continue to do justice without fear or favor. I have said in that speech that the bar bench interactive session will be held rotationally and in 3 senatorial districts. In these 3 years, the 3 senatorial districts have hosted the bar bench forum. I recall stating also that we must remind ourselves that the judiciary is the constitutional arbiter of all disputes in our democratic system of government, and that the judiciary must at all times maintain its independence and remain immune to undue influence, and that as judicial officers we must uphold the oath of office sworn to in the discharge of our duties. We have tried to do exactly this, and I use this medium to request all judicial officers to continue to do justice. This appears to be tautologous. I'm satisfied that the ceremony for the opening of the legal year, which is a judicial ritual, has come to stay. It marks the official commencement of the legal year, and it is held after the annual vacation of justice. This annual ceremony, apart from committing the new legal year into the hands of the Almighty God, also affords members of the bar bench, stakeholders in the justice delivery sector, and friends of the judiciary the opportunity to review the outbound legal year with a view to identifying the successes, challenges, areas that require attention, and of course, areas that need either a total change or overhaul. It is noteworthy that several achievements have been recorded in the judiciary between the last legal year ceremony and now. We have insisted and we shall continue to insist that financial autonomy or independence is the way to go if the judiciary is to thrive at a faster rate than it is now. The introduction of multi-door courthouse has assisted in the quick dispensation of justice in reducing the number of cases that now go to the regular courts for the litigation. It is our hope that the multi-door courthouse for Edo Central, Ifeoma, and Edo North, Auchi, will be built and commissioned in this new legal year.
His Excellency, the Executive Governor of Edo State, Mr. Godwin Obaseki, while delivering his speech, stated that he believes totally in the independence of the judiciary, both physical and policy independence. The governor also stated that he will ensure that there is no reduction in the standard of life of judges upon retirement.
The judiciary is a bastion of our democracy. Without the rule of law, our democracy will not be. Therefore, as one of the arms of the institutions that make up democratic experience, we in the executive absolutely and totally believe in the judiciary. More so, our current administration, we would not have made the amount of progress in terms of the development of the states, in terms of the developmental activities we're undertaking, without the active support of the judiciary. And as one of the high points, the greatest achievements of our administration to date is our ability to maintain maintain law and order. And this was totally within the remit of the judiciary. With this in mind, we have, and because we have absolute confidence in the judiciary, we believe that the judiciary therefore must have priority in functioning of our government. The responsibility of transformation and reform has to rest with all the arms and tiers of government, not one. I, as a person, and I believe my government, believes totally in the independence of the judiciary. What I believe we require is for the judiciary, just as we have done in the executive power, to sit back and think through a very clear strategic plan for reform and repositioning. And this plan has to be all-encompassing to deal with the issues not only of infrastructure, not only of human resources, capacity building, but should also include the issues that have to do with funding. I guess from my experience and from my interaction with the judiciary to date, I think the challenge of the judiciary is very similar to the challenge of all the other two arms of government, which is that there is clearly budgetary constraints because of the drastic reduction in revenue sources accruing to the nation. Unfortunately, the institutions have not made the required adjustments to reflect their current realities.
Speaking for the body of senior advocates present, Dan Oko, Esquire, recommended that the retirement age for judges at the High Court should be extended to 70 years. The chairman of the Nigerian Bar Association, Prince Collins Ogegbai, stated, among other things, that for the judiciary to be truly independent, its financial autonomy must be guaranteed.
The last legal year was quite exciting. Of course, you are aware of the many landmark decisions given by the court, especially the chief judge of the court. The decision on the waste management board decision and all that. These are radical decisions, and it shows for us that the independence of the judiciary is no longer just a mirage, but a reality. But I must add here that if you are listening to my speech carefully, one of the highlights of the new legal year is our determination as a body to pursue serious legal options. There will be the speedy dispensation of justice in terms of the cases. And if you were at the interactive session yesterday, she gave a marching order to the judges that forthwith there should be no adjournments exceeding 1 month, 30 days from the day of the last date of the case in court. We believe that all these and of course the intended computerization of the High Court itself will speed up the process of justice delivery.
The Attorney General of Edo State, some senior advocates and legal practitioners spoke to us about their expectations from lawyers and judges this new legal year.
Our expectation is that this will be a very progressive year and that it will build on the successes of the past year so that justice delivery will be even more effective in the state.
We hope the art atmosphere, the facilities, infrastructure will be there, and lawyers will adequately represent the interests of their clients, while judges will be free to do that which they are paid to do, which is adjudicate on matters presented in a conducive atmosphere. And we hope they will take steps to actualize the the independence of the judiciary. They will resolve this issue of funding, which seems to be a recurring issue. And with that, I think progressively all the bottlenecks will be gradually dismantled.
The new legal year is always a year of expectation. We hope that all the things that we couldn't do last year will achieve this year. But I expect the lawyers to brace up more and put in a little more hard work, a little harder than they did last year, and then adhere to the tenets and principles of law and justice.
And it is our expectation that in this year, justice will be dispensed without fear or favor, not minding whoever comes before the court, that the court will dispense justice, and it will be a time that we all will be proud of.
At the formal opening of the legal year 2019-2020, has encouraged lawyers to be dutiful, to be hardworking, to ensure that they live up to their bidding as officers in the temple of justice, to ensure that they defend their clients, and to act professionally and ethically according to the dictates of our profession.
One of our expectations have to do with the judges dispensing justice based on the rule of law without favor or intimidation from anybody. No matter your class, that you had head straight to the rule of law. Because when you have the rule of law, you have sanity in the system. They should do justice to all matter before them without any intimidation. Then we lawyers, we are ready to defend the litigants. Vis-a-vis those have to do with a human right, to defend their rights whenever their right is being trampled upon by any persons. We are here to fight for what belongs to them. I want to take the issue of human rights lightly.
Thank you for watching today's episode of Crime and Justice Report. I hope you enjoyed the show. Join us next time for more interesting episodes. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the notification bell to get regular videos from us. From all of us at Pinnacle TV Online. Bye.